Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. Before I go ahead with the video, first I'm really sorry. I was a little unwell last week and hence some of these monthly readings got a little delayed. I'm really sorry and I hope you understand the situation. Now, how we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do this video for. Now, while I'm shuffling the cards, Capricorn, please note, tarot should always be used as a guide. So, only take what resonates, leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. What I see for you here is you have the 8 of Wands, the 4 of Cups, the 9 of Pentacles and the 3 of Cups. Your person has the Death card, the 10 of Cups, the King of Swords and the King of Wands. We'll also go ahead and check what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and also the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Empress card. So either you or your person could be dealing with somebody who is in the Empress energy, or either one of you is currently in that energy. Okay. Now what I see for you here, Capricorn, is you have the 8 of Wands. With the 8 of Wands, there could be a lot of communication which could happen over the internet. It could be either through emails, or it could be a call, a message, something that you want to go ahead and initiate towards the other person, or this is something that's coming towards you. Okay. Now with the 4 of Cups, there was a love offer that was offered to you, but you were not interested in it. You just didn't want to take that particular cup of love because you want to stay single. Okay, you want to stay single, you want to be in this 9 of Pentacles energy, you want to enjoy life, just go ahead and do all the things that you want to go ahead in your life and fulfill your bucket list. Just go ahead and do things that you really want to go ahead and do. And I also see a lot of socializing for some of you with this 3 of Cups. Yes, there will be a lot of parties, a lot of social gatherings that you will be invited into, and you will go ahead and attend those social gatherings. Now what I see for your person is the Death card. There is a little bit of a transformation that is required for your person. Now this transformation is required because yes, they want to build with you, they want to have a relationship with you, wherein they want the 10 of Cups. The 10 of Cups is where a person has a lot of love, a lot of emotional feelings towards you, but the problem with this person is they also have to communicate that to you. Okay, with the King of Swords, they need to tell you that they feel that for you, because yes, this person may go ahead and just express things which are physical, but they also have a lot of love. Okay, so there is a little bit of a communication required, wherein they can just open their heart and tell you that they are not just physically attracted to you, but they also have a lot of love for you. Now what is the mutual feeling both of you have is the Courage, which is the Leo card. So you could have a Leo also around you. There's a lot of strength. Both of you will need to go ahead and build this particular relationship. What's the blockage in the relationship is the World card. So either you or your person has to go ahead and complete a cycle. If there is a cycle that you are currently involved with, maybe with some other person, or there is something that is pending. Okay, that could be anything. It could be office, it could be home, it could be friends, something that you are currently involved with. Just finish that. Okay, and only then you can go ahead and move with this particular relationship. The outcome of the relationship currently shows us the 3 of Swords. Now with the 3 of Swords, there could be a little bit of a heartbreak that will happen in the future. Okay, if this person or either you are involved in something else, okay, it is advised that you go ahead and finish that, close that particular chapter and move ahead. And yes, it will take a lot of courage from both of you to go ahead and do that. If that doesn't happen, then yes, this particular relationship, if I see that either you or both of you will go through a lot of hardship, okay, and a lot of heartbreak is what I see happening in the future. Let's go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for this relationship. Spirit, can I have one card here, please? Alright, the intention of the person is the 9 of Cups. With the 9 of Cups, this person is very content. Okay, 9 of Cups is when the person yes has a lot of love, but it is also kind of a lazy energy. They just don't want to move. Okay, they're very content. Let's also see one more card. Now they also have the Sun card. Now that's a really positive card. That's again Leo energy. With the Sun card, at one point in time, yes, they will move forward, and all the things which might have happened in the dark will be in the forefront. Okay, now I also see the intention is the Queen of Cups. Yes, this person has a lot of love for you, and they want to go ahead and share that love with you. So that's a very positive card, because this person is looking at this particular cup. Okay, and their eyes are fixed to that particular cup. So that's a very positive sign that I see. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels for you, and a crystal that can help you. Now the crystal that I see for you is the Solstice. The crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Time to take to go ahead and sort out all that is happening. Write it in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now the message from Archangel Gabriel, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.